Hey guys, welcome back to Hannah's Kitchen Corner. So today we'll be making scrambled tofu. This is an egg replacer as well. So to start off, we're going to put in one sliced onion in medium heat and we're going to stir this. Then we're going to add in one tofu scrambled and stir this with the onion. Okay, so now cover it and let it simmer for 2 to 5 minutes in medium heat. We want to stir continuously or else it could burn and we don't want that. And then we're going to add in our seasonings. I'm going to be using salt. Main thing, we need salt in the food for some taste. And some oregano. You guys can use your own spices, your own seasonings, but this is what I recommend. This is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to add in some curry to add it some color and some taste. And then I'm going to add in some cayenne pepper. This is just to give it a little bit of spicy, some spice. And coriander as well. And it's done. That is it. You guys can give it some rice like I like to eat it, or you can put it in your tacos as a chicken replacer as well, or put it on top of your bread, or just eat it like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like, comment down below, hit the notification bell, subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.